Welcome back to GCAR's Business Partner Spotlight. Today's guest is Jeff with Horizon Bank. Jeff, thanks for being here.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me. Appreciate the opportunity here.
Introduce yourself to any realtors who may not know you.
Absolutely. Jeff Wojcik here with Horizon Bank. Our location is on Center Street for location purposes on Center Street, right across from the Tap House restaurant there in Portage. That's our location. We are opening up the second location to be announced soon. Very excited about that. That one's going to be downtown, right on the main drag downtown. So very excited about that, to have a location down there. So should be coming in late fall, maybe early winter. We'll have that discussion and put that out there for everybody, but super excited about that.
Excellent. Jeff, I think you recently told me you just celebrated 23 years in the industry. Is that right?
That is correct. Just over 23 years in this business. So yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Well, tell us a little bit about what Horizon Bank has to offer.
Yeah, absolutely. So full service bank, from your normal checking savings accounts to commercial lending, private banking, you name it. Obviously, what I do specifically are the mortgage residential loans, but full service from top to bottom. That's for sure.
Perfect. Well, talk to us about some of those mortgage products. What do you offer?
Yeah, absolutely. So, a couple unique things about us, but I'll get into those here in a second. But, standard products across the board. We do the conventional loans, FHA loans, the VA loans for the veterans out there, rural development loans. We do some stuff unique to us. We're, decent sized community bank. So we do a lot of portfolio stuff, portfolio loans. So a little unique that we'll think outside the box on. We do some additional kind of specific borrower type of products. So like physician loans. We'll do new construction loans as well. Do some jumbo loans. Home style renovation loans for those folks that want to do some finance and renovations into the homes. Common one that I'm seeing right now to kind of take some contingencies out of play are the bridge loans. I know it's a very popular product right now where we can help lend on a current property that an individual owns, bridge the equity from there to the new house. So doing a fair amount of those. One specific one I'd like to chat about today is our Home Pride loan, unique to Horizon Bank. It's a portfolio loan geared towards low to moderate income census tract borrowers. So it don't necessarily have to be, but the big concept of that product has to be in our bank footprint, which is where we have a branch in a county. So we're not only just Kalamazoo, we are all over the state and in Indiana as well. But it's a nice product. We can go pretty low on the credit score. It allows for some down payment assistance programs and grant programs, so borrowers can come up with as little as $500 out of their pocket. It's very niche-y. As I like to say, so they got to fit inside a nice, unique box, but it's just all about qualifying a borrower and help them understand their situation.
Great. Well, sounds like you've got a little something for everyone.
Sounds like we do. Yes, we do.
Yeah. And tell us about any grant programs that you'd like to discuss.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are, signed up with MSHDA, so the Michigan State Housing Development Authority. So we can couple that with some of our products that we have, the conventional loans, the FHA loans. Even one of our own Home Pride loans that we can do that with. We are also signed up with the Federal Home Loan Bank of Indianapolis. Every once in a while, they'll roll out with some grant programs that are unique to first-time home buyers, maybe some minorities out there. They just went through a set of home ownership opportunity program money, but they're out of funds right now on those. But typically, a couple times a year, they'll have some grant programs, and being the fact that we're a part of them, it's pretty impressive the amount of money that's available to folks in those grant programs.
Right, and like you said, it kind of comes and goes, so they should always reach out to you to see what's going on currently.
Very, very much so. And situational, so based upon the timing of the year and what funds are available, that's for sure.
Right. Well, what would you say sets you apart from other lenders?
Yeah, good question. I think a lot of it comes down to service and quality of service. A lot of lenders are out there, there's no doubt about it. A lot of competition, and it's good competition. Been in this business a long time, like we talked about, so a lot of my good, solid competitors out there. But, we all got the rates. A lot of us have the programs, maybe a little unique based upon the bank, but I think the service is the biggest thing. And that's where I like to set myself apart from the rest. In terms of availability, phone's always on, 24/7. I've been doing this 23 years, like I said, and My wife at times would probably questions how much I'm available, but that's how just real estate is, and I definitely make myself available, that's for sure.
Yeah, well, that's so important to the realtors as well as their buyers.
Absolutely.
Yes. Well, if anyone would like to get in touch, how can they reach you?
Yeah, good question. Cell phone's always the best, at 269-217-3301. That's my cell. My email, just for purposes, just for this, the video and to share it, is jwojcik@horizonbank.com. Either way, but phone email is always on, so I'd like to make myself available for the opportunities that are out there.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you at some GCAR events as well.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, Jeff.